Our professional rivet tool is perfect for securely fastening metal and different construction and repair applications. With a hand lock, which makes it easy to carry and store. Portable rivet heads and wrench. With 4 different sizes of rivets. Release the safety lock and open the handle completely. Then insert the matched size rivet into the rivet head. Drill a hole with an electric drill. After the rivet is installed, insert into the pre-drilled hole. Squeeze handle 2 to 3 times for riveting in place.